Today, we will continue our journey. We will combine multi-smart money concepts together and use price action to have trades. Of course, we'll be using our superior trading view indicator also. A great education day. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's continue practicing our day trading and scalping skills around the market openings. Since NASDAQ is the most commonly traded asset in the world, I will work on it. But you can also use this with any kind of assets like Bitcoin. Before we start, the market opens at an extremely important price level. This blue line indicates the previous month's high point, which is broken strongly, as you can see. And if you look at the 1-minute chart again, you can also see the inner SR Philip location, classic price action method. Then please notice this inner liquidity area created and how the price sweeps it. Now this is a very large sweep actually until the previous month's low area. Sometimes the sweeps can be this big. And at the top, notice the small inner relative equal highs as an inner target. And all this price action actually happens at the 5-minute imbalance area if you noticed it. Okay, let's look at the hourly charts above from 1 to 4 hours. Notice how the buyers took the control very early and starting to pushing the price crazy in the pre-market before the market opening. You can also notice the momentum imbalances which supports the bulls in this movement. Okay, let's make an overall summary here so you can understand the price action really well. In the pre-market before the 9:30 open, we know that buyers gained the control, pushing the market up. This is obvious. Then with the market opening, we notice this lovely inner support and resistance Philip location. It also happens at the area of previous month amplifier. It is a classic MASTERCLASS amplifier which I teach. Price sweeps the inner liquidity in the area, right above the SR Philip, also creates these relative equal highs above for us as an inner target. And all this price action happens at the 5-minute imbalance area. If you check out, you will also see the multiple lower time frame imbalances as well. Now, this is a perfect fuel point for any kind of rallies. Extremely good setup with real live action. Let's look at another day from the last week and observe the price action in detail again. In the pre-market, you can see the previous day's low sweep. But this time, there is no continuation here. Instead, price sweeps the area and reacts back so strongly. This tells us a possible reversal here. If you check the 1-minute chart in detail, you can see the price makes the market structure break, followed by the first break of structure. Obviously, sellers are losing power here, buyers pushing the price back upwards again. After the market open, you can see a very similar structure, a similar pattern in action again. First, the SR Philip area with 1-minute imbalance location, followed by the inner liquidity sweep location, leaving us an inner target with equal highs above. Extremely simple and classic smart money action happens here. And the price fills up here strongly, rallies. Let me do the quick summary. In the pre-market, price sweeps PDL and reacts. There is no continuation. It is not a forward trade anymore. It is a highly possible reversal now. After the market open, we notice a small SR Philip with inner liquidity sweep, and the price sweeps the area, fueling up, targeting its own liquidity above the small equal highs area. You see one pattern happens daily if you carefully look at it. Okay, we are on the same day, and bulls control the price obviously. Remember, we always try to trade with the dominant side of the current existing movement. If you check out here, another similar, actually same pattern happens. Our classic combo of 3-4 special moves together. It is like a game actually. Now I think you understood all this pattern and the strategy. Now one question remains here. Can we trade this area between? Well, if you carefully look at it, what are we gonna trade here? In my opinion, there is no concept here. Nothing I see clearly, to be honest. The only thing you can do here in this between area, probably jumping to a rally with a small order to grab some cash from the movement and the momentum itself. That's it. Okay friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please take care for now and have an awesome day. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you